On May the 5th, 2024, at approximately 3:51 p.m., officers with the Columbus Division of Police were dispatched to a homeless camp on a call about somebody destroying property.
911, where is your emergency?
I'm at behind the old Kroger on Refugee Road. There is somebody tearing up my campsite. It's Erica Needham and Juan Grover.
While driving to scene, the officers ran the suspects, Erica Needham and Juan Glover, for warrants. Miss Needham showed a possible warrant for a parole violation. If she was at scene when they arrived, arresting her just might solve this problem.
What's going on?
Back there at our tent site, and there was like 15 minutes ago when we called y'all. Erica Needham, Lisa Needham, and Juan Grover.
Okay.
They burnt Brandy's tent down one day last week.
We will walk back there and take a look. We've already been out there before, okay? But I want you to take a look at all these signs. What does that sign right over there say? Scoot backwards a little bit.
Okay.
All right. So you guys' tent is on the other side of that. Should we also be doing anything about trespassing? You see what I'm saying? You're gonna have to move somewhere else, okay? Because how am I supposed to help you and be fair, but let you stay somewhere where you're trespassing as well? Right?
All right, but can I say this? The people that owns that land knows we're back there. I mean,
It doesn't.
I know. I understand what you're saying.
Right.
But they're just storing our stuff back there.
I got it. Okay. You got to be somewhere else though.
Okay, I understand.
All right.
Okay, I understand.
We'll go back there and look for them. Were you just at the Saraga?
Yeah, I just rode over there because I'm scared. I mean, because they're back there beating up. My husband had a workbench, and we're back there beating it up and everything.
Okay. We will go back there and look. Okay, but we're not walking every single trail looking for Erica.
Okay. You just go.
I said we would. Okay.
Okay. All right. Thank you.
Hello. Got a call that someone's destroying a tent back here.
Destroying a tent. We're cleaning up the mess back there.
We're helping her get her stuff out of here.
Yeah, I used to live back here. And they said they closed the camp, so we just come to clean. That's why I said I'm dumping some water out right now.
This is all my mom's stuff, though.
Erica and Juan?
Yeah.
This used to be mine right here.
This is my mom's stuff. We come out here to visit my mom. That's it.
Gotcha.
Yeah,
Okay. Do you know a Libby?
Libby?
Or
We know Libby and Cooper. I mean, we don't really know them, though. They come out here with my mom. They live with my mom.
they live right there.
I have no idea.
They keep calling us.
Why?
Keep calling you for what?
Saying that you guys are going over there, burning down tents, messing with their stuff.
What?
Where's their stuff at? This is their tent. Look, this is, they left. I have no idea. Mom just gave her. Listen, they told us that they closed this thing down. I didn't know.
Bro. We don't bother nobody over here.
They told us they closed the camp down, so the fence was blocked off, and we come back here to help my mom get her stuff out. We're like, man, there's stuff my mom wants to come back here. You know what I'm saying? Look, you see me? I'm sitting right here. I ain't doing shit.
I ain't got time to be bugging.
Why do we burn the tent down?
Can you come here for me, Erica?
Why?
You got a felony warrant.
Why?
You got a parole violation.
What?
Violation.
It's failure to appear for felony.
Oh shit, hold on, sorry. What is it?
So when was the warrant?
Wait. When do I have a warrant for? See, man, I'm pissed.
Failure to appear
Why are you
for felony
grabbing on me like that?
I'm putting these cuffs on.
Of parole?
When was the warrant?
How? She's off parole.
I'm off parole.
Okay, well, we'll get it called and we'll make sure that everything's good, but
Right now
until
you're
then,
just being
it's...
Yeah, she ain't on parole no more. She
Yeah,
just
he's.
off parole.
Erica, we'll get it straightened out.
Call my parole officer. Hit my phone, call my parole officer, please.
I got it.
Call my parole officer. Hit my phone, call my parole officer, please.
I got it. Just right over there.
You just grabbed my fingers off the tire. I want to go now.
No, it's fine. Just
Did
hold
they
on,
just
dude.
call you guys right now?
Yeah.
In the front zipper pocket. Can I smoke a cigarette? If I go to jail? If I go to jail, can I smoke a
We'll
cigarette?
take care of all that. Let's
Okay.
just go back to work.
Mom, come with me. What? A parole? What parole, you guys? I'm on non-reporting parole. I got a parole violation.
I'm just letting you know, it looks like it's a failure to appear. It looks like
where?
you might have been on probation or parole for it.
Probation?
Like I said, we'll get you all the details. Right now,
Okay.
we're just seeing a possible warrant for you,
Oh,
okay?
shit. My ankle. How do you, you guys can get out this way, you know.
Our car's this way.
Mom, please walk with me. A fucking probation, you guys? Are you serious?
We're gonna let you know. Just go.
Need him.
What's your date of birth?
Ow, just hurt me. 01/31/90.
What's your first? What's the phone number for you?
I don't even have a phone. I broke my phone. They just called you just now?
What's that? Yep.
Libby and Cooper?
Yep, saying you guys were being on their tents and stuff.
Are you serious? What the fuck is wrong with these people? This is my mom's tent, dude. I don't. What the fuck? We just came out here to help my mom. That's all. Oh shit.
How long have you been out here?
10 minutes. We just got here. I don't. He says probation.
We'll figure it out. We'll let her know.
Figure it out. Just walk with me, mom. Probation. What the fuck do you mean probation? They told me I was non-reporting. How am I
Again,
accountable for that?
I will let
listen,
you know.
is there
I just
any way-
got to go up and
Is there any way that I could talk to my probation officer?
What's
They
that?
told me it
Hold
was
on,
non-reporting.
Listen, we
But
got
dude,
to.
I'm not trying to be funny. This is really cutting my arm right here. I
Which
want to
is?
pull it down. Ah, it's hurting me.
Just leave it.
Just trying to get it off my wrist. It's cutting my
I mean, that's where it's supposed to be on. It's supposed to be on your wrist.
Yeah, I know, but it was up on my bone. But oh, god damn it. Yeah, they told me I was on non-reporting. That's fucking crazy.
Like I said,
You know what you got in jail 2 weeks ago? You know that?
I'll let you know once we get back here. I'll tell
There
you
ain't no
exactly what
fucking
it's for.
way. Sorry, I'm doing
What? Give me 1 second.
Give me 1 second, he'll let me come up here. What the fuck is y'all scared? What the fuck? Ouch, shit.
Watch your step.
He told me it's non-reporting, dog.
I will let you know exactly what it is. Just wait here, right here for me.
I'm not going
You
nowhere.
got
I'm not going nowhere, I
You
swear to
got
God.
any weapons on you?
Yeah. I think,
Okay.
do I?
Without
My
reaching
knife
for
in
it.
my, I was just seeing if that was what that was. I think a knife in there, I'm not sure. Bro, they told me non-reporting. How am I
She's
on the phone, bro?
got a knife in her shirt. You got gloves.
Wow. That is crazy. Damn. But before I go, will you guys let me hit a cigarette at least if I do go?
Yes.
He just told me non-reporting. Is there any way you guys can talk to him? Let me talk to him?
Listen, you're asking 7 things at once.
Guys, I just got out of
No,
jail.
listen. I will do those things, okay? But when you're asking 7 things in 5 seconds, I
I'm
gotta
sorry,
do.
but I just got out of jail, man. I don't want to go back.
Erica's warrants were in fact good. It appears that she was in court a month earlier and pled guilty to theft out of a breaking and entering case. She was sentenced to probation and violated that probation 20 days later when she was declared an absconder. Then, on May 15th, she was charged with arson, possibly out of the tent burning incident that was mentioned in the 911 call.
They burnt Brandy's tent down one day last week.
We will walk back.